Hi everyone, this is Christy Green, Tech Coach. In this video, we're going to discuss how to add PDF files and images to your Edlio teacher page. Let's start with adding a PDF file. In SchoolWires, you used to be able to go to some text, highlight it, and use a link button to turn it into either a hyperlink to a website or a link to a PDF. Unfortunately, that's not possible in Edlio. Instead, you need to add a new kind of content. So here's my text that I have, but I do want a PDF to appear right below it. I'll use this Add button to select Files and the Upload button. If I have a PDF in Google Drive, I can retrieve it here. I'm going to go to my computer and select this PDF here. Once it's loaded, if I don't like the name of it or I want to add more information, I can always highlight the name here and rename it. Please read, parents. Please read. How about that? And then just click off of it. There's some other options over here also with the three dots. Again, I can rename. It can just display the file name or actually a thumbnail image of the PDF. I'm going to stick with the file name, and this is also where you would delete it. So once I'm done, I can click off, and now I have that underneath. Let's save and publish and take a look on the live site. Here I've refreshed already, and I can see my PDF right there. So let's move on to pictures. My picture is already here on the page, so I don't need to upload an image of myself. However, I may want to add images from the internet or possibly photos that I've taken of school events. So let's go back to the editing side. First, if I want to insert an image within my text content box, I can do that a few different ways. We all know that we can come to Google and just do a right click on an image and copy an image and then Control V to paste it, and that image appears. And that will work in Edlio. However, I don't advise doing it this way. The reason being is that when you do it this way, it does not prompt you to add alternate text. In order to be ADA compliant, we need each of our images that are posted on our Edlio website to have an alternate text, which just describes what's in the picture. Notice there's no where is it prompting me to add that alternate text. So I'm going to erase it and show you the way that Edlio does prompt you to add alternate text. I want that picture of a tree here. So I am going to go back to the tree, and instead of right click and copy image, I'm going to come to copy image address. And I've copied that. Back here, I'm going to go to the three dots on the toolbar and find the picture of the mountains for insert or edit an image. Here, I can place the source, paste it. So I'm pasting that image address, and it gives me a size, but right here is where it asks me to put the alternate text. The alternate texts are for screen readers, for people with visual impairments. If I click save, my tree will appear and I can resize it as necessary. Another way to add an image, if I just click that button, if I don't have it from the internet, it's a picture I have saved, I can use this button here to grab it from my computer or my Chromebook. Okay, so that's one way to add an image and make sure that we have that alternate text. Another way to add images is through creating kind of like a slideshow. That's adding another content. So I'll click down here to add and photos. Again, you can upload from your computer. I happen to have some in my Google Drive, so I'll click Google Drive. It will check with me about my account possibly. If I hold down the Control key while I click, I can select all three or as many pictures as you want. And in this case, I get to decide if I want those pictures to rotate or stack on top of them. Aha, for each one of these, I do have missing alt text. So I'll just click there and click the Alt button. You want to be as descriptive as possible in your alt text wording. Sunlight through tree limbs. Okay, let's save and publish and take a look at what this looks like on the live site. Okay, I've already refreshed my screen. Here are my images down here. And because I picked rotate, they are rotating through a scroll automatically. Had I picked stacked, I would have gotten little arrows or dots at the bottom in order to pick the next picture. I can pause it if I like a picture that's there already. I hope this helps inserting PDF links and images onto your Edlio teacher webpage.